Hey, what's up guys, Fahzman here. In this video I am going to show you how to unlock iCloud locked iPhone. So if you have forgotten the iCloud password and want to remove the activation lock without a password, you can remove iCloud activation lock easily using ULT Phone Activation Unlocker. If you forget your password or bought a locked device, you don't even need Apple ID for it, and you can log in into the App Store instantly after bypassing the activation lock. Download the ULT Phone Activation Unlocker. It's available for Windows PC or Mac. The download link of this software is available in the video description. After downloading, install this. After installation, launch the program. Here you will see two options: remove iCloud activation lock and turn off Find My iPhone. It can also turn off Find My iPhone. So we will choose remove iCloud activation lock to remove the iCloud ID. Click start to proceed. After you click the start button, read the agreement that prompts and click next if you agree with the agreement. Connect your device, that is iCloud lock, to computer with USB cable. Here you will need to jailbreak the device. It will start downloading the jailbreak tool. Please keep device connected and ensure that your computer has good network. Then the program will prompt you to burn jailbreak environment to a USB flash drive. Please insert a USB flash drive to your computer and click start. Next, the program starts to install jailbreak tool to your USB flash drive. Now you come to the interface, which tells you that the burn is successfully completed. And there is a step-by-step guide to teach how to boot into jailbreak environment and jailbreak your device. Or you can scan the QR code to check out how to jailbreak your iOS device on Windows. Restart your computer. When the computer restarts, press F12 or F9 to open the boot order. Once in, select USB storage device to boot. Then select the options from the keyboard arrow key and press enter to set the jailbreak tool. From the settings screen, select Allow Untested iOS, iPad OS, tvOS versions options from the keyboard arrow key and press enter to select it. Then choose the back button and press enter to back to the main interface. After you hit the start button, press enter to jailbreak your iOS device. It requires your device to be in DFU mode. Select next and the program will direct you to DFU mode. Check the next option and Checkra1n will automatically put your iOS device into recovery mode first. Select the start option and then follow the instructions on Checkra1n to put your iOS device into DFU mode. It will automatically jailbreak your device. When the jailbreaking process is completed, select done and unplug the USB flash drive. Restart the computer and open the software again. Now you will see your device information here. Before you click Start Remove, please note that after removing iCloud Activation Lock, you can access the device for all functions except for the function of phone call and cellular. Tap Start Remove. The process to remove iCloud Activation Lock won't take much time. Please don't use your device during the removal process or disconnect it from computer. Now the iPhone activation lock screen has been removed. At this time, you can check out your iOS device and set up it as a new one. After you have set up the iOS device, you can log in a new Apple ID through App Store or iTunes and App Store in settings to download apps over Wi-Fi. And the one good news is there is anniversary celebration on the ULT phone website and you can get super 4 surprise 100% win giveaway, top seller bundle, up to 75% off and store-wide coupon code. All you need to do share this event on your social media and enter your email to get 1 month free license. You can also get top seller bundles in very cheap price. And you can get up to 75% off on ULT phone products, and at the last you can get 30% off coupon code and it's valid for any purchase. The link to this page is available in the video description. So that's it for this video. Give this video a like and comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.